QI Group is a conglomerate. They've got several different businesses. One of the large part of the business is e-commerce MLM company. So they've got this large network where a lot of people buy stuff and transact online. At QI, we use SAP for our financial reporting, and we're a global company, so we operate in many different regions. And so we do that for our financial reporting. We also use SAP to basically track all the products that we sell and make sure that all the transactions and the logistics that's done is recorded in this SAP system. My first encounter with Rimini Street was when we engaged Rimini Street and got into the Rimini Street contract, whereby we had to stop all our existing support that we got from SAP. So now when we have a ticket, we go into the portal that Rimini Street has given us and we raise that issue, and immediately we get a response. We also have really good working relationship with the customer service folks from Rimini Street, and we just pick up the phone, give a call. I say, hey, I've got this issue. They tell me, yeah, sure, I'll engage you with our colleagues before even I put it into a ticket. But then I realized when I put it into a ticket, the turnaround is a lot quicker, instead of even picking up the phone and giving a call. I think all of the support that we've got, I think the quality has been fantastic. The people who's engaged with us on the other side of the line has been real experts. The moment we ask a question, they tell us exactly what to do. And in most instances, we also work with some of the other vendors who do some of the services that we require. So we don't have the entire team in-house. And the moment we have an issue, we get into Rimini Street. Rimini Street tells our guys exactly the steps they need to go out to fix the issue. And that's been fantastic. So recently, I had an audit with the SAP group, which they generally tend to do once in a while. And so when they came about, I had fantastic support from Erica in Singapore. And so every single question I had, I went back to her. She came back to me. She told me exactly how it works. She even helped me word my emails that I had to use to send it out. It was really, really brilliant. This is the first time I've ever had that kind of support. Apart from the fact that it makes a lot of sense on your balance sheet when you come to Rimini Street and you look at the kind of cost savings that you can have for the support bit, I think just the turnaround and how fast they provide the support, it's quite literally amazing. But you got to try it out, and then you'll know what a difference it has been.